Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I'm in the back garden with my dog. It's just a paved backyard, no soil anywhere apart from in the pots, and most people would just call this the sad return. It's teeny tiny, you can outstretch your both arms and touch the walls with no problem. But I've tried to make the best of it what I can, especially during COVID. So I've got like a little tiny table with a little miniature rose in, the obligatory chimney pot, a little stand with all kinds of plants on. And I bought a couple of years ago 2 arches, painted them blue to match the back door. This table cost me nothing because it was dumped in the back entry. All the pots are either from Asda, Home Bargains or my local chandlers. I bought these tiles on eBay. They were reduced because there was cracked. Well, I put them up anyway, just stuck them to the wall. These big pots here came from our old house because that was also paved backyard. And today I've been to Asda and they've got better plants. 3 for a £5. So I got 2 petunias and 1 impatiens. Probably pronounced that wrong, but you know. Road stool here. Hello, sweetie. There's a deck chair in the corner that was dumped in the entry. I bought this bench online years ago when we first moved in during COVID. Table off eBay, just like mosaics. Everything on this side is perched on the ladders, so it's easy to stick everything on it and hide the ladders. Another old stool. I picked up this little pretend greenhouse last year, I think it's 15 quid. So I'm going to take some of these blue. Oh, sorry honey. See, it's very narrow. Some of these little blue plant pots down, and I've got some bigger pots here, slightly bigger pots. I'm going to pot up with these, and there's a hanging basket thing I've done. I made this sausage divider wall with a palette, bit of trellis. This is all bits of Chester drawers, and another little greenhouse. It's my compost bin. Here's my other compost bin. And a bit of trellis left over to put there. And the little garden sign. Which I bought during COVID. And last but no means least, a water barrel. Just keeps everything ticking over. Little birdie house there. Got little insect houses here and everywhere. So a lot of these need replacing with proper pots because the roots are cooking.